microwave beep when your food is done is probably one of the most annoying things to ever be invented. From what I can tell, it's pretty universally agreed upon that it's annoying, especially since you just use it to microwave your food. You're not gonna forget you had food in the microwave. That's like the last thing you'd forget about. And it's not like the house is gonna burn down if you leave it in the microwave. I just don't understand why they made microwaves beep with such urgency. So since this annoyed me a lot, I decided to deep dive into the history of the microwave and figure out why every single one of these makes the same annoying noise and most don't have a mute button. So the first microwaves came to market in 1947 and it was made by a company called Raytheon. This microwave was named Radar-Ange. It's a really odd name for a microwave, but this microwave is pretty much nothing like microwaves we have today. It was 5 feet and 11 inches tall, so taller than most people in America, and it weighed 750 pounds. It wasn't exactly convenient or portable, and it used 3 kilowatts of electricity, much more than microwaves today that use around 600 watts to a kilowatt. But this huge microwave didn't actually make that beep sound, at least from what I can find. So this microwave is not the culprit for this annoying beeping. The actual culprit came a little bit later, and it was Japanese manufacturers as a whole. Basically, when microwaves became available for personal use, they wanted to put a noise system in it so you knew when your food was done. And they all just seemingly picked the most annoying system imaginable, and every other company followed suit. The noise all microwaves make is caused by something called a piezoelectric buzzer, and it makes that noise when electricity goes through it. The reason this is used is because it's cheap. Only recently have microwaves been designed with little speakers instead, and they're still pretty rare, because this buzzer is just cheaper. So lots of companies still use it, and that's why every microwave sounds the same and makes you want to punch a hole through my wall. But hey, that's just my take on the microwave buzzer. Some of you might really like it. And it's also my take that dolphins probably should go extinct. And that video comes out Tuesday the 15th of November. And if it's past that date and it's already out, click the end to check it out and have a good one.